we're 1 minute in. Remember, you got 20 minutes, so you got a long way to go, you guys. You want to finish the race. Your pits mean everything, so take your time. Right now is Trevor, Steven, Ralph Fantetti, Jody, Kevin, Eric, Joe, John, Dixon, and Terry. That's the order right now. Okay. Hang tight, you guys. There's not a lot of marshals, so remember, we gotta finish the whole race. There's a good race coming down that straightaway. Wow, that's tight. Unbelievable racing, you guys. Good job, good job. Remember, we're only 2 minutes into this race. You got another 18 to go. Keep it clean, keep it clean. Whoa, washing it in the street. There we go. We all made it. All clear. Trevor's still out in front with Steven right behind him. Oh! 3 minutes into this. 2 minutes before your first round of pit stops coming up. You still got 15 minutes after your first pit stop. Let's see if we can get you all to be running at the end of this race. Trevor, Steven, and Jody, you're all on the same lap. First, second, and third. As well as Kevin, Rob, Fantetti, Eric, and Joe. You're all 10. Trevor just turned on 11 now. And now Steven. Good job, you guys. Good job. You got to finish to win. Let's just see if you can finish. Oh, watch the loop. Thank you, Victoria. Oh, John Bunker. 16 minutes left. Okay. 1 more minute before the first pit round of pit stop. 1 more minute before the first round of pit stop. Oh, watch the straight. Watch straight. Watch straight. Oh. And Dixon's car is dead on the infield. Dead on the infield. We need a marshal on the infield to grab the green car. Is he going to make it? Marshal on the infield. Marshal on the infield, please. Thank you. Okay. 20 seconds. And your first round of pit stops. 15 seconds for your first round of pit stops, you guys. Five minutes down right now. 5 minutes down. Should see the cars coming in. Let's see how fast these guys can get this done. Steven's back out. Oh. So right now it's nice and quiet right now. So the cars go back out. First round looks like it's done, and now 1 more car to come in and out. Jody is in first. Steven's right behind him in second. Kevin's in third, Ralph Fantetti in fourth, and Eric in fifth. That's the first round. You still got another 14 and a half to go. Got a long way to go, you guys. left, you guys. 14 minutes left. Steven and Jody are on the same lap. And then Rob Fantetti is right behind and third on the same lap. Eric, Joe, Kevin, Terry, and Trevor. I think Trevor's out. And John, you're in still, but you're quite a ways down. But keep on going. Seven minutes into this race, 7 minutes in, another 3 minutes before the next pit stop. You guys are doing really good. It's Steven and Jody and Rob Fantetti all on the same lap. Kevin as well, all on 21 laps. So it's Steven, Jody, Rob, Kevin, Joe, just turned 21. You guys are doing really well. Oh, Bok Choy. Good job, Bok Choy. This is race 4. Race 5 is coming up in about 10 minutes. We got a lot of time still. Oh, watch out at the end of the straight. Watch out at the end of the straight. Thank you. All clear. All clear. 8 minutes down. 8 minutes down. We're going to try to get Trevor out again. We've got to get him to get his good fill of gas car. It's Steven and Jody and Rob Fantetti all on 25 laps. And Kevin is on 24 with Eric at 24, Joe at 24, Terry at 21. Oh. Steven, the leader, is coming down the straight, going through the loop right now. Jody's right behind him in the pink car. Rob Fantetti. That's the other lime green car coming down the straight. That's third place right there. Nine minutes down. 1 more minute, and you guys are coming in for your next round of pit stops. 1 more minute to go. Okay, another 30 seconds, 25 seconds, and that's your next round of pit stop. Steven and Jody and Rob Fantetti all on 29. Kevin on the 28 with Eric on the 28 and Joe on the 28. Coming up for pit stop. Sorry. Okay. It's another 10 seconds and you're at your 5 minute mark. 10 more seconds and you're at your 5 minute mark. That's 10 minutes. Halfway. We're at halfway right now. The pink car right now is showing in first place. And Steven just came in for pit stops. We'll see what happens after all the pit stops are done. Okay. Mario, you're doing a great job pitting for everybody. Patting like a dog. Woo! Okay, that's second place. The pink car's second place being brought in. So right now, Steven and Rob Fantetti. It's first and second. Steven and Rob on a 32 lap. Jody's at 31. He's in third. Oh, Terry. Which way are you going there? Oh, we're stuck at the other end. We need Marshall at the far left end. Marshall at the far left end. Thank you. I think the challenge car is not over there. So Steven and Rob Fantetti and Kevin. Steven's at 34. He's coming up to a lap ahead of everybody. So oh, Kevin, that's second place right behind you. So be careful if he gets right on you. That's first behind you, Kevin. That's Steven right behind you, Kevin. He's about 2 laps in front of you. So be careful. Thank you. Thank you. Otherwise, you're good to go. Oh. It looks like Steven's having a bit of trouble, so race your race, but the 2 lime green cars are first and second. Kevin's third at 35, Eric at 34, Joe at 34. 3 minutes before your next round of pit stops. You guys got a long way to go. It's Steven, Rob, Kevin, Eric, and Joe in that order. Oh, John, you got it. Right on. Okay, Steven's at 39, Rob's at 39. So the lime green car coming down the straight, that's first place right there. And the lime green car that's going to come onto the straight, that's second place. And then the tan car through the infield, that's third place.
The winner of this heat will get an SRSN body. A little more pressure on the drivers. Top 3 drivers all within 1 lap. 6:35 to go. Okay. Top 3 drivers are within 1 lap of each other. It's still a close race. Eric in fourth, Joe in fifth. Followed by Jody, John, Terry, Trevor, and Dixon. Oh, the last 3 guys are out. We gotta put some new batteries into Terry's car. We'll get it going. 5:55 to go. Looks like Steven is out in the lead, followed by Rob, Kevin, Eric, Joe, John, Jody. Steven, very close race. Gotta keep going, keep pushing hard, but make sure you stay consistent and safe. 5:15 to go. Right on the 5-minute mark, your leader comes in for a fuel stop, followed by Joe. John Boker goes for another lap. Let's see what other people do. Rob Fantetti in for fuel, Kevin in for fuel, Eric in for fuel. So looks like the pits are a little crowded. Let's see if we can get everyone clean and safe out. Quick pits, quick pits. So Steven has a lead of 12 seconds. And Rob is 3 seconds faster than Kevin. Eric is about 2 laps down. This is still anybody's race. Fantetti saves it after a dot. Nice save. Keep it
4
going.
minutes left.
Keep it nice and consistent. Your leader now has open track in front of him. Take it easy and he'll have it safe. Gotta keep a steady, quick pace. Rob Fantetti working hard to catch up. That lead is slowly disappearing. There's still a 10-second lead for Steven. Let's see, yeah, still a 10-second lead for Steven. Keep going. 3:30 to go. John Boker coming in for gas now. Holding the prize, SRS and Nitro Body. You gotta move back, Marty. You gotta move back. You're gonna block the view. Alright. Kevin and Rob fighting for second place. Rob moves over. I'm not too sure why. Now they're gonna battle for second spot. Steven Yoshida, open track in front of him, should make the best of it. Keep it safe. Keep it steady. Go, go, go. 2:18 to go. The GoPro is recording. Top two cars bump to the A. Steven and Kevin right now. Although Rob and Kevin are fighting for that spot still. Rob's only about 2 seconds behind Kevin now. Just a reminder, we have raffle tickets for prizes as well as a 50-50 draw. You don't have to be a racer to enter our draws. You could win a prize or you could win some money. Just come on up. Kevin Chang now, 9 seconds behind Steven. 1:20 to go. Kevin's moving in. Oh, John Boker takes a hop, keeps going, awesome. Kevin Chang now, driving steady and fast, trying to catch up to Steven Yoshida. He's got 1 minute to make up 10 seconds. Can he do it? Or can Steven hold him off? Steven's not slowing down at any rate. He's giving her. Let's see what happens. 40 seconds left. Steven, Kevin, Rob, Eric, Joe, John, Jody. Jody had a good pace, but he looks like he dropped out. Eric, corner marker. He might be out of gas. Look out. Alright. 15 seconds to go. Looks like Steven and Kevin are bumping to the A. Who's gonna pit for us? What's gonna happen here? Look out.
The race is over.
Kevin coming in for a quick fuel stop. Go, go, go. Get him out. Try and get him out. Get him out. He's got to keep going. He's got to finish his lap. Otherwise, Rob's going to catch up.
Car 7 is done. Car 6 is done.
And that fuel stop cost Kevin second place. That fuel stop just cost Kevin the bump. That last minute slash and go. So Steven Yoshida wins an SRSN courtesy of Racetech Hobbies. Good job, Steven. Good job, Rob. You guys are going to the A. Four minutes left. Yeah. for sure. All right, touring stock A main. He was in second place, but he did a splash and go, and then Rob took it. He was only 4 seconds behind him. He can't make 5, so that was a terrible pit strategy. Rob Vendetti, charge your battery.
Left.
Yep, you're in this one. Ken, Mark, Bok Choy, No Spoon, Alex, Eddie, Ron, Jerry, Daryl, and Owen. You guys are up right meow. Order.
2:30 left.
Order of that last one was Steven, Rob, Kevin, yeah, and then Joe, and then Eric, and then John, and then Jody, and then Terry, and then Trevor, and then Dixon.
2 minutes left.
Jody, and then Terry, and then Dixon, or Trevor, and then Dixon. Okay. That was 10. Sorry, what? Not for the winner. Not for the winner.
1:30 left.
All right, I got. All right, I got a check from Ken, Alex, Eddie, Ron, Daryl, and Owen. Quarter marshals looking for Kevin, Steven, Trevor, Rob, Eric, John Boker, Joe, and Terry. You guys are up for quarter marshaling right now.
45 seconds.
Yes, please.
Left.
Everyone needs a quarter marshal. Oh, that's a nice chair. Okay. My GoPro is still going, guys. Let's not waste the battery, otherwise I won't finish the A main.
30 seconds left.
What? Yeah. Come on. Mercy minute for Ken. Okay. Yeah, it's in the cooler. Uh-oh. RC Scoring Pro has encountered a problem and shut down. Hang on, I gotta open it again. Yeah. Alright, the program just crashed, so everyone hang tight. Hello? Okay. I need everyone to run through the loop real quick. We just avoided a catastrophe. So there's gas and oil in the generator then? There's both though, right? Alright. Alright. Everybody's in. Quarter marshal's ready. Driver's ready. Everybody look down, make sure you're not stepping on the black line, blocking anyone. Race starts in less than 5. Go. Restart. Hang on, nobody go, I'm doing a test run here. So why didn't that work? Okay. I need you guys to check. I need you guys to check. Everyone has to check. If we're doing a restart. Everyone's going to be dumped by the start of the race. There's someone else. Alright, let's try this again. In the event that the boop doesn't boop, I'm going to yell go when I hear it. Ken, Mark, Bok Choy, No Spoon, Alex, Eddie. Oh, hang on. You guys should know the order of this, right? Okay. Race starts in less than 5. That's a lot better. Hey guys, let's not do any of that around here. Come on.
5 minutes left.
1 minute in, Mark out in front, followed by Bok Choy, No Spoon, Daryl, Owen, Eddie, Alex, Ron, and Jerry. Come on, guys. Let's not do that here. No, guys, calm down. Guys, let's not do that. Alright, 150 in. 10-10 had a bad start. Walked off the sand. Mark, Bok Choy, No Spoon, Daryl, Alex, Owen, Ron, Jerry,
4
and Eddie.
minutes left.
Oh, a little love tap by No Spoon. Marshall. Bok Choy saved them. Good job. Thank you, guys. Thank you, No Spoon, for stopping. 1, 2, and 3 there, duking it out. We're looking for race 6 up next. That is VTA GT A-Main. Mark, Tommy, Gary, Owen, Bok Choy, and myself. Alright, looks like everyone's settled in. Top 2 drivers, 8 seconds between them. Bok Choy also in the race.
3 minutes left.
It's a close run. Everyone's on 9 and 8. .215 to go. Mark's still in the lead by about 9 seconds. No Spoon in second. Alex, Bok Choy, Daryl, Jerry, Ron, Owen, and Eddie. Eddie's got to push it. Push it real good.
2 minutes left.
Keep on going, Owen. You're beating Eddie. Keep it up. No pressure, Eddie. No Spoon slowly reeling Mark in. 8-second difference now. Alex only 4 seconds. Oh, a little big love tap by Eddie Dinter, and he doesn't even wait for Owen to gain the position back. What a dirty guy. Keep on going, drivers. We'll see what happens the next time around. Thank you, quarter marshals, for being out there. Keep it up, guys. Everyone's doing really well. 14-13. From first to last, there's only about a 1 lap difference. Everybody's running a close race. If anyone gets knocked out, they're going to lose that spot. Body tuck on that blue car. Body tuck. Can someone save that blue car there? Body tuck.